And a peace for what? Is it because of a supposed schedule? I mean, Senator Amy Marcos was talking about a supposed schedule, February, to refile the impeachment complaint against Vice President Sara Duterte.
Well, siguro, pero lalong magugulo yung lalong magugulo yung bansa natin kung we'll go to impeachment.
But where does the minority stand? I mean, you do have
Hindi, iba-iba kami ng iba-iba kami ng positions, pero ako, ang sabi ko nga parang inconsistent if I will be joining the impeachment complaint against BP Sara kasi she was accused of embezzling 125 million and 500 million in the DepEd as against 1 trillion. So parang kung buti pa impeach na lang natin pareho para fair.
I don't think that's possible, seriously speaking. So are you saying you will not support the impeachment of Vice President Sara Duterte?
No, I will not sign that kasi nga nakita ko na-incentivize yung mga United Congress para mag-impeach sa kanya.
So paano yun? By saying this right now on the Head Start, baka wala ka ng pondo na ilabas sa'yo.
Ay, okay lang yan. Talagang ganyan.
Does it really happen?
Well, alam mo, tagal ko na sa politics, 50 years So this is my siguro mga last days in politics. So gawin ko na lang yung tama na sa tingin ko.
No, but has that happened to you, for example?
Yes, during the time of Duterte, I was the first one who spoke against the war on drugs. So for 1 year, tinanggal yung pondo ng distrito ko.
Oo.
Pero I never talked to them.
Okay.